Hello, traders. John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live stream for 5/10/2019, and let's get right into the charts here, guys. Hold on here. All right, so we filled the filled it. I think we filled it by a penny. 282.48. Nope, 282.30 was the low. So we did fill this gap down here. We talked about that in our our video last night and our daily analysis video, and we do have another gap filled down here. We had a nice intraday bearish pattern going on, guys, down in here. It was looking a little bit weak at one point, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's chopping around, and guess what? Uber IPO, guys, and they're like, it's Uber, the leader. Oh my gosh! And then right after that, guys, what was the lip service? Munich or whatever the hell his name is. I don't even know his name. The China trade meeting was constructive. This is what we got from constructive. Good thing he didn't say China trade deal's really close. We're bashing out a deal right now. It was constructive, guys. This is what we get from that. Again, short puts, the play of the day. Once again, it's been over and over and over, guys. We dip, short puts. We dip, short puts. We dip, short puts. Today, we didn't do it. We were in puts. We sold most of them at the bottom. We held a couple. The IWM, we got the hell out. The SPY, we added a little bit more as it was coming up. We have still a small position in the SPY. And for you members, we're getting our butts kicked a little bit, but that's okay. We took our profits today. We covered some shorts on some other trades as well, and having another good day at StockBookie.com, guys. So not bad. For all your new members, guys, when you made profits on these puts going down and when we're going up, say you bought 50 contracts down up here on the puts, and as they're going down, we're taking most of them off. As this thing goes up, so say you had 50 contracts, you took off 45 of them. As this thing goes up, you're adding 5, 5, 5. All right. You're not going back to 50 contracts, guys. You're not giving back everything we made on here. It's strict money management here at StockBookie.com, guys. And for your smaller accounts, you should have been done with the puts down here. Bottom line, I'm putting on a trade up here. I made good money this week, and hopefully I'm not a hero to zero. We know how that goes, guys. But we'll see if we get the pullback. We filled the gap here. We added a little bit more here just in case they flush this. Like this day, guys, it's still in my head. We were all laughing in the live session. It's like, hey, maybe we take these lotto puts. And the puts, they were going like from 20 cents, 10 cents. They went all the way to 6 cents right here. By the time we got down here, they were 60 cents. So for me, I made big profits on this one, guys. I'm inching in. My average price right now, let me look. I believe is 73 cents on these. Yeah, and they're at 22 right now. But like I said, I took off big profits down here, guys. Off the IWM, I'm already out. All right, so that's it for these. But man, unbelievable! Right here, confirming downtrend, bearish setup, and next thing you know, Uber IPO, and we go straight. We're truly in fantasy land, guys. Constructive meeting with China. How do you respond to that? I mean, really? I mean, how do you respond to that? Constructive meeting. Caught the idea of him short, then flipped long to the key. Yeah, there you go. Bookie, what about the just taking TZA? Yeah, you could do it, but again, the TZA will decay if the markets just sit there. But yeah, you could definitely do the TZA. For all you guys who can't do well, I mean, the IWM puts, if you want to do TZA is a triple ETF. It moves like a mofo. When you hit them right, I used to trade the TZA and the TNA all the time. All the time. That's all I did when I first started scalp trading, guys, for about a year. The TZA, the TNA, made tons of money and then started, going around. Yeah, the crooks, right? Man. But yeah, TZA is fine. Just got to hit it right. Like right now, guys, we filled the gap. You're not in any of these puts, give it a shot for a lotto play into the close. These options, these 285s are 25 cents now, guys. These things could go back to $1. Not to say they will, but this was Uber and constructive meeting with the China leaders. What the hell does that mean? Other than shit volume, and Fed backstop right where, guys? Right where again? Lunchtime on Wall Street. It never fails. I couldn't do now, of course, after the fact, it's always easy to see the trade, guys. But when we were down here, it was looking ugly. We did fill the gap. That was the only like saving grace. But look what we're at. If you look at this 60-minute time frame now, where are we, guys? We're back in the gap fill in the 20 MA. And now we're going into the last part of the day. That's the big part, guys. We could go right back down. Maybe we get a bid and we go right back up. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. Really, to save this shit, guys, 287.57, this old gap fill right here. Maybe that's what they're going for. But we filled the gap, which was resistance. So, you know, they'll probably have it sit for another hour and then jam it up our ass. All right, guys. If you are in those the 285s and you added like dumbass me, but no, you go small. Like you take 50 contracts, 100 contracts, you should be out of most of them. As it's going up, add five. Get back in maybe 15 of them, maybe 20 at the most. Or better yet, we should have just took them off. Because these SPY puts that we bought, guys, oh man. All right. Oh gosh. I'm just looking at it. It's just I'm in awe, guys. It's just truly effing amazing what these guys can do. I mean, look at this crap. This is a big area though. Support. We go through this, guys. Next week, we're into options X. Anything's possible in the real Shark Week, guys. So just be careful. All right, here, hero to zero might be me. Yeah, you know what? Let's hold on. You never know, guys. Did you take? You had to have taken some profits, though. Come on, guys. For the smaller accounts, when we're buying options from 122 and these 285s almost go to $3, you better be out of most of them. And we had good puts last week where they just ripped heads off, but you better be out of most of them. The IWMs 140. Where'd those go? We were in them at 140. They actually did pretty good right out of the chute, so I was pretty happy with those. But still, tough trades. 140. The high on these were like where are they? 325. 140 to 325. If you're not selling some of those, please look at yourself in the mirror and slap yourself. Because I got the hell out of those. Those I took the profits. Thank the Lord. I was like, gosh. But now we're coming back. This is probably let's shake them down, get everyone to buy puts, and then we'll jam it up their ass and bring it to the gap fill in the 200 MA. So if you're in these, well, when I started chirping, guys, these were at 20 cents. Now they're at 30 cents. Oh gosh. All right, hold on here. Nice one, bookie. I'm betting on the flush for the close. Yeah, why not? Give it a shot. Remember, take the profits. If you had $1,000 in profits from those other puts, go at 100. They're at $15 a contract. Buy 10 of them. Give it a shot. Here we are, guys. Like we talked yesterday, blackjack table. Come on. You got the 9 and the deuce, and the dealer's showing a 5. You know, you got to double down and then get that 3, you know. And then the dealer will flip over a 5, go with another 5. And then hit the 6 for the 21, you know, and you're like, wow, good thing I doubled up. So no, we were out of most of the profits down here. We took some other shorts off. I think we maybe one short. I don't know. There's so much going on here, guys. I'm getting emails, trying to do tweets, trying to put trades out there. It's crazy, guys, crazy. All right, so let's see. Zach, AXSM. Let's see. Let's go to the monthly. Just want to see where we're at. Get a handle. Wow, look at that. It's got to be moving up on news, Zach. If you're in this thing long, awesome. Shit, start taking some money. It's a new issue from 216. I mean, it's a couple years old. There's really nothing up here. 20 will be the big one, then 25, actually. If you could get past 25, boom, it's going. But if this thing hangs around this $20 area and comes right back in, just be careful. Your next area would be support right around 1578. For me, nothing to do. Just a light volume name, getting some news, maybe earnings or something. Not for me. Not for me. Yeah, guys, shorting puts again. That would have been the 9th winner in 3 weeks. I just couldn't step up today. But this one, yeah, not for me. Not enough. Let's go to the smaller time frame just to see what it's doing. Yeah, it's holding the MA. It's getting a little bit stretched here, though. Yeah, if you're long, just trail the stop. You don't want to wake up and this thing's bombing. That's what this one will do. I don't know what they do. I don't know who they are. Wow, look at that though. Gapped up and never looked back. Yeah, let's be careful with this one if you're long, Zach. But yeah, take some profits if you have some. If you're looking to short, don't mess around. Something's up with this one. I don't know. Maybe a buyout. I don't know. But just be careful. I love, if this was a normal name, I would just monthly start stretch job big time. But this one, getting a little bit long, but I got to see what the news is and crap like this, why it's going up. Now, if it was like an Amazon, the Roku, shop, that's all right. But I have no idea. I like them too when they're the $100, $200, and they just, and they're chopping around all its life, like even like 3M. Look at this one, guys. Like 3M. I mean, this is 3M, a stock that just gradually grew, for 57 years. And then all of a sudden, 2011, look at that, straight up, guys. We're in trouble. And look at 3M breaking down, guys. 3M. This should be one of the leaders, guys. Breaking down, sideways, monthly, huge monthly bearish pattern. We were shorting up here, guys. What is it? Stretched. Again, 3M stretched. Never in a million years. Stretched. We shorted it down here too. Stretched. This one, I'm telling you, 1/3. Here, now let's go to the weekly. I got to keep an eye. All right, come on, SPY, dump. I'm in at 73 cents. Like I said, even if these go to zero on me, the SPY, I still made money on this trade. So it's just like, all right, here we go, casino. I wish I was getting drinks right now, guys. I don't drink though, but maybe today I will. If I go on a cruise, I'll drink like a margarita or a Mai Tai, something fruity. That's about it. But I don't drink, guys. I haven't drank in years. I wasn't an alcoholic or anything. It's just not for me. But if you're going to go and bet and gamble and throw some money around, go to the casino, get some free food, get some drinks, guys. So, yeah, but AXSM, I wouldn't touch. But look at that. Same shit, guys. Different chart. All you members, look at these. 3M, look at CAT. This was another one. High flying. Look at that. It's CAT. Hurry, upgrade it. And then boom. Look at that. Short. Boom. Short. Double top. Boom. Come again. Short. This one was a great long. Just didn't take it. Goes up, but look at that thing. Straight up, guys. You got to short it. Look at that. Down. Now look at just like 3M. Down, sideways. CAT's going lower, guys. 77 is here. Let's go to the weekly before I get ahead of myself. 109 is the target right now with double bottom. All right. 3M. Let's go back to that one. I'm not CAT. No. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. This one's even uglier. Interesting. You have maybe 160. If that goes, then you're probably going back to 135. This should have never have been 260. Period. Too far, too fast, guys. Crap. This drives me nuts. I didn't even know I was going to go live today. I was just like, do I really want to go live and talk about this bullshit market? Look at this. Constructive China trade meeting. It was good, he says. Trump's got to start tweeting too, guys. He's going to start tweeting now. Oh, yeah, we're close. Everything's going good. You can't even make this shit up. And then Uber comes out. Uber leading the markets. Uber. Unbelievable. Now, if we had 180 million on the SPY, it wouldn't be doing this crap. We'd be tanking right now. As long as this light volume continues, guys, this is the markets we're getting. And we're going into Options X next week, the real Shark Week. So maybe it's going to be an interesting time. And as members, what I just did a little bit ago with the SPY. All right. I think I'm only doing that one, though. We'll have to see how the end of the week, end of this close happens. But I want to have some skin in the game again, just like we did the IWM. Excuse me. Last week, we did those 510s, guys. All right. We did the IWM and the Qs and the SPY. The SPY's 241. Last week, we put them on Friday. They went to 1235. Got to have some skin in the game. The ones that we did, the IWMs, we had around $1. They went to 619. And then the Q puts 171. I think they were close to 10. But we had little small positions. Hey, let's give it a shot. We have up and down markets. But just in case these markets come down, we want to have something on these trades. And especially now, we had 3 great weeks here at StockBookie, guys, making tons of money. I am starting to nibble small positions. If you make $5 grand, Go in a position in a SPY, maybe 500. Okay, don't give it all back on a Friday, guys. We did that last week. Remember, we lost on the Qs and the IWMs and the SPYs on those, but we took small positions going into Friday just like we did here. Today we got paid on these. Last week we did not, but we ended up putting those puts on at the end of the day that just frickin' killed it. Got to have skin in the game, guys, especially to the downside. And just make sure they're small. If you're not winning, then just sit on your hands and do nothing. These are crazy-ass markets. Man, I told my members down here, I said, wow, confirming downtrend, this could get nasty. And then Uber, IPO, straight up. It was like, I was like, what's going on? What's going on? But we were pulling them off, guys, down here. I was pulling off the SPY, pulling off the IWM. IWM came back. I just closed it out. I was like, I'm done. Can't do this anymore. Tips on choosing strike prices. It depends on if you're shorting puts, going long puts. You guys see what happened today with the SPY. We were in the 285s, and when that thing opened up higher above 285 and stayed, those puts were going lower. So we're trying to get above price, because when it stays above price, like the IWMs, you saw those. We were in at the 157s, and when that thing opened today, right around 156, those things were doing pretty good because it was below price. But being above price like the SPY, we were at 285 and the thing opens up at 286, they're going down. It's just the way they work. So they're pretty tough, choosing strikes. So it's really about, for buying the puts, you want to keep it above a little bit, because once it gets above that strike price and then it grinds, those puts go to zero. And that's what you're trying to do when you're shorting puts. Stay above that, or stay below it, actually. Or stay below it, because the 285, there's shorting puts, short calls, long puts, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Everything, guys. Once we hit that gap fill, though, same thing. And you know what they're looking at, too, is the 50 MA on the daily. They almost have to hold it up to. I don't want them to. I would love it to close below, but this is your area right now, guys, right around this 285, 284.44. We filled the gap and right back up. So they're coming in. Every time we dip, guys, they're coming right in again. But eventually we're going to dip and it's going to go. And that's when they're going to get everybody stuck. So right now we're going to go small, especially the members. Just keep going small or nothing. If you have profits, especially you smaller accounts, like today, those puts are coming down, get the hell out. Don't wait around. And don't wait around for me. All right. So Chris, yeah, that's, you know what? I'm going to do a nightly video or a nightly live session. We'll come in and we'll talk more about that stuff. All right. This is the public session. But Chris, you're a member, so yeah, we'll talk about that. But yeah, that's critical in playing these options. And also too, money management, guys. You have that smaller account, don't be effing around with these. All right, let's see here. Bookies, TZA, Hero to Zero. Yeah, nice one, Bookie. I'm betting on the flush. Yeah, we'll see. Again, small, Chris, small. AXSM, yeah, that one, not for me, but if you're long, take something off. Crooks came in and trapped the people. Yeah, just think though, Chris, if you're going all in and I'm doing this, going small, hell of a lot easier, guys. Yeah, didn't get in that good morning trade. That was my bad. Yeah, no big deal. That was 70 cents, a $2 trade in the morning was crazy. Yeah, and get out, run for the hills, guys. The less time you're in these markets, the less time they have to take your damn money, and they will. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a $, then the symbol. Tell me if you're long or short, or looking to go long or short, and we'll go over some stocks and see what we're doing. Yeah, thanks, Chris. But holy crap, guys. Man. And yesterday we shorted puts, and it was like, again, it was a little less hectic with no news. I just honestly don't trust these markets. This is the type of shit they do the rug pull on you, and you're like, damn, you're trying to go long, even if you're going slow and steady, even on the long side. Damn, I gotta call my hold on here, guys. I got, oh man, where is he? Was he on there? All right, hold on. I'm just I got 42 things going on right now, guys. All right, so SPY's holding the gap fill, holding this area above the 50 MA again, doing all right. A lot of times what I've been seeing, the SPY will come down, it'll start grinding, then automatically go up. That was like the trade forever. All of a sudden, out of the blue, it just starts going up. base is great in a bearish pattern from a high pivot down, and next thing you know, it goes up. But what happens is the volume starts disappearing. And you guys will see, if we start pushing 180, 150, 190 million on the SPY, they won't be able to push this shit up. And they come in with the underlying bid, and it's just like the Fed backstop, central bankers. It's the same bullshit over and over, guys. Like volume markets, these guys could do whatever the hell they want. You get a vicious sell, they can't do shit. And every time we go up, guys, it's still on 70 million, no conviction. There's no buyers. There's no conviction up in these levels, guys. There's no big institutional buyers, maybe some. On this big rally, why don't we have 170 million? Like when we dump huge, we get 170 million. And then it goes up on 50. It's like, on news too. The Uber and constructive China trade deal. It's like they still haven't signed anything. It's freaking crazy, guys. XLF long call. Hey. XLF. Nah, you know, let's see. Let's look at the monthly first. Yeah, we're right back in this trend line. I mean, you could give it a shot if you get above this area, then maybe. I just wouldn't. I don't trust these markets, guys, going into options X next week. There's your trend line. Let's go into the weekly, show you a little bit better on that one. And this is it. If you want to go long, great. You get above 28, boom. This thing's going probably to 29, 30, and then higher. This thing stays in this area and starts to lose it. We break through these MAs and start coming in, filling gaps. You got to get the hell out. You want to buy a call on that one? Great. I don't care. But as long as it stays above these MAs and keeps going, great. If it starts to slide, you're going to have to get the hell out. All right, it's not bad. I mean, but right here would have been the time. Even on this little pullback, you got this little pullback, pulls back here, drops everybody out, and then right back up. This would have probably been the area right here. To chase it up here, I don't know. I put the long calls are probably expensive up here. I'd let it pull back one more time and then do it. But it looks like we're making a high, lower high, lower high. If we come back, then we'll probably go right back to the trend line, come back, and I think we'll start going in a downtrend. But still in a good stance, though, above the MAs. Just not for me. You got this high pivot. It's right there. Maybe. If you do, just go small. If you break above here and it gets going, great. Get ready to take profits. But if you slip past this area and it starts dropping, gets below this, and the other thing too, guys, SPY starts stumping, you got to run for the hills. Options X next week, guys. They're going to be shaking and baking this shit on news. So yeah, so watch for that one. Maybe. If it stays above the MAs, great. If it starts slipping, then you got to get the hell out. Fills this gap and just goes right through it. 25 area doesn't hold. 23 bucks, here we come, guys. On the other side, 29, and then you're looking at 30 bucks area if you're going long with calls. But for me, I don't. You're in a little bit of a downtrend now. But you know, hey, we're holding up. Let's see what we get. SMH 110 support. SMH. Let's see. Well, we had the trend line breakout. That was looking pretty good. You know, get all the bulls back on board, guys. Whoa, it's breaking out. We're getting above these areas, above this little high pivot. Woohoo, yeah, this is great. And then all of a sudden, rug pull. Is there another? I was gonna say, is there another area back here? Hold on, let me pull out the monthly here, just to make sure there's nothing back here. I was gonna say, there's got it. Look at that right there. So just trying to go through there, guys. Look at it. Look at the resistance from that double top back in 2000. And that's where it's been chopping, guys. Then they dropped it. They got everybody, all the bulls. They dropped it once, got them all out. Came back where, guys? Look, up, consolidation, bust. This consolidation becomes support. Look, it's Don. Hey, guys, it's one of my trolls. Hey, Don, what's up? Or should I call you Pedro? Which one are you? Oh, this might be the short Disney at 142. No, I've been short Disney since 135.88, bro. Get that number right. If you're short one from 142, beautiful, Don. Awesome. Shorting the market since 2016. You know, here, all right, let me show you something, Don. All right. Here's my list. Shorting the SPY, huh? It's in 2016. You know, we here. Let me show you a couple trades here, Don. All right. The 1114. Here's some winners. Stolen a couple of those. Here's my list from 2018. You know, I was short the SPY from. Oh, jeez. I love these guys. All right. Look, all my winners, losers. I got nothing to hide, guys. Nothing. Nothing to hide. Nothing. Here they all are, guys. All right. Short and a SPY. But I'm hiding. It's pretty incredible. But hey, guys, everyone say hi to Don. Don, you can stay. I'll let you stay in here, bro. Maybe you'll learn something. Oh, Don. Shorting the market. No, I actually am a day trader and scalper. I swing short, swing long. I short calls, short puts. I go long calls, long puts. What do you do, Don? Share it with us, please. Yeah, since 2016. Well, this is how I know this is Pedro, because that's what he tells everybody. He's been short wind since 2016. He's been shorting the SPY since 2016. Oh, the big picture donkey. Hee haw. Dude, how many fake names do you have? It's pretty incredible. I don't even know how you keep up with your crap. But anyways, guys, let's do this. All right. But yeah, SMH 210. Yeah, you do have support around 210 though. You do. Let's go to the daily time frame. The Don. Woo! Come on, man. Show your real face, donkey boy. All right, yeah, you have good support here at gap fill. You have a bunch of gap fills coming up though. And this thing's, I'm looking at gap. This was all China trade, guys. China trade. China trade. Almost done. We're almost there. China. Brexit. Throw the Brexit out there. So it came down, a little bit of consolidation, trying to hold this gap fill here, and gap below, then a little bit of selling, but 210. Oh man, are you long in this trade? Donkey, yeah. Everyone call him the Donk, Mr. Donk. It's to act. That's his hashtag to act. That's all for the donk, and he knows it too. He loves it. This guy, I'm sure it's one of his followers, but massive disaster in 2018, just massive loser after loser. Then the guy gets like 15 trades in a row. Well, a couple losers in between, but 15 winners, and that's all he'll talk about for the next year. And now he's massively losing again. And he's telling everybody, just hold the options. It's great. No money management skills. No, hey, go small in these. This is going to be a tricky trade with news, but they always tricky, choppy markets. When he wins, it's even in this chop, I win. And then when he's losing, that's tricky, choppy. So just admit it, guys. If you lose, you lose. But if we lose here, we make sure we pull profits like we did today. We pulled profits off these puts. We're trying to be a hero. And I guess we're going to zero on the rest of them. But hey, we took profits. Great. Nothing to hide here, guys. It's all in the open. Are you there still, Don? Let's talk some more, brother. Hey, why don't you go in the live stream and we'll see how good you are with your technical analysis. Come on, Don. Show us. Oh, yeah, he's short from Disney 142. Sure you are, Don. Show your position, dude. Weaker indexes overshoot support until leader cues hit support. Held bounces while weaker indexes bounce back from overshot state back to initial support. Yeah, we're just bouncing around, guys, at this point. But this one here, to answer your question, yes, we do have good support at 110. If the 50 MA and this gap fill down here starts to give, you're filling the gap, and most likely you're going to 101. Let's go to the shorter term time frame just to see. So you're still in a weak stance on the 60 minute. You're still below. So if you're trying to go long, you got to get over this 111.12, and then you got to recapture this low pivot here, because this was a low pivot. Then we gap below it. We didn't deal with the support. We just went through it, and then this is the big area that you want to get back above. Say let's go gap fill around the 112. Get above that, then you're going to race up. But man, you have gap fill, gap window, gap fill, gap window, and then the SPY and everything else has to go up as well. So that's part of it's part of these trades, guys. If you're long, you need the markets to go higher. If you're short, you need the markets to grind lower. That's pretty much how you're working this market. So let's see here. Yeah, no problem. But yeah, gosh, and that guys, that's why I charge $30 a month, just to keep these guys out. And if they're making that much money, the trolls would be signing up and they'd be trolling me on there, and then I'd just kick them out. Here's your refund. Get the hell out. Trying to teach people technicals and stuff, and these guys, they're with other services, guys, and they're just beating me up. When you're doing 30 bucks live streams, people show up, they're all pissed because they're charging 200. I don't need the money. I just want friends to trade with. No, it's just better when people are throwing stocks out. What I've never looked at, like one was Coop, and that was a great one. A member was like, "Hey, check out Coop," and I was like, "Coop, what the hell is this?" But when this thing went up right here, boom, we got this move. Boom, went right back up. Do it again. We did it somewhere in here. I don't know where it was, but man, got to do it again. Rinse and repeat. That's what we do here, guys. But and I love these guys. Show your 3 years of winnings. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up all my shit to show a guy on Twitter. Here's all my gains. Here you go. Here's the truth. Who are you? It's pretty funny, these guys. But these are the guys that show nothing. No trades, no entry prices, no exit prices, and they're the guys who are hammering the traders like me and a couple other guys on StockTwits and stuff. And it's like, really? That's the best you got? But I'm looking at that Coop again, guys. Look at this crap. Now that I'm looking at it, because Coop, where do we do? Yeah, we did 321 from 98.99. We got out at 91.90. Then the last half we sold at 89. And it's going right back up. Damn. When is earnings on this one, guys? Anybody know? I love this area though up here, guys. Wow. Let me look at this again. Look, still stretched. Look at that. That's straight up. So we got it at the 99 right there, 100 even number. Came back in and right back up. But this is another high flyer, guys. You know what to do with these. But yeah, other than that, yeah, these trolls get me all hot. Oh man, it's just like, really? Gosh, don't we have enough stuff to look at during the markets, let alone some guy, hey, we were short on that one. It's like, geez. Like Win. I got rallied on Win. I really did. But when it came back, we made money. I'm not going all in. I'm taking the right size positions. I don't know why. It's funny. The guy who keeps buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, he's the man. Oh my God, he's buying more Apple. He's the man. But the guy who's shorting Apple as it's ripping, he's a moron. Until Apple dropped $100, and I was like, whoa, Apple's at 140. I don't have any more money to buy the dip. So I bought the dip at 200. But somehow, somewhere, I'm still holding it at 140, all in, and I don't even have a margin call. These morons. Oh, gosh. All right. Hold on, guys. I'm doing something here. Bear with me. All right. All right, guys. Boom. Hopefully I didn't. Let me make sure I'm posting on the right. All right, guys. So if you remember, you know what just happened. So, all right, let me put something else in here, guys. All right, but it's been a great week, guys. So we, put a little bit of a casino bet on the puts, added them as they went up. We pulled them off as they were going down. Now it's like, hey, let's go to the casino, roll some dice. Maybe we get the flush into the end of the day. They have not fixed anything. China trade deal, still all lip service. Uber IPO, what the hell does that mean? That brings up the markets? Really, Uber? Hello? Then there'll be people saying, oh, Uber's a leader now. No, Apple, JPM, and ExxonMobil. Those are the leaders. Hello? Wake the hell up, people. No. It's Friday, guys. Almost the weekend's here. Just looking at that. Yeah. Are you in here, C and Raj? You guys are in here. Say, what's up? So, all right, hold on here. I got to put my price in there. Yeah. I mean, this is, and guys, when I'm getting out of trades, if I'm posting, whatever, like say I'm buying the SPY puts at 20. I'm typing as fast as I can, punching. So if I put 23, 18, as long as I'm getting around that price for you guys, sometimes I'll click, I'll be like, oh, shoot. Like the SPY puts we got in today. I forgot the strike. It's like, but I put the strike underneath it. Sometimes it just fat finger, guys. But if I'm trying to get into a trade, out of a trade, and I'm posting a number and it's close, get the hell out. You know, don't wait around for me. Damn it. All right, hold on here. Hey, what's up, C? How's it going? All right, hold on. Let me look here. I gotta look through my stuff. Make sure I'm not missing anybody. I still got my members. That's why it's hard. All my members can't come in here, so I keep forgetting. Hey, we're getting out of these puts, or I'm calling trades here, and it's like, oh, wait a minute, I got to post it on Twitter. So we're getting railed on these. These are probably going to zero. The rest of the puts. If you guys are in these, and if you guys had a nice profit, if you don't want to take them to zero, just get the hell out of them. I'm in enough where if they go to zero, great. I'm willing to hold them into the last hour and a half, just in case we get that nice little flush like we did the other day. But Coop, oh man, I love that one. Look at that. All right, but SPY, let's get a handle on this one. They're trying, guys. They're trying to get it back above that area. Look at that. Gosh, just fighting, just grinding. It's like throw some. All we need now is a Trump tweet, guys. We're going to go to the 200 moving average, and that will take care of the puts. But you guys notice when you're in these puts at 285 and you're above that number, they just go down like no tomorrow. So when you're shorting puts, you want to be below the number, because at the 285, guys, this thing keeps grinding. Those 285s are just. Now, when we got past the 285 number and this thing started ripping heads off, they popped like no tomorrow. But when we opened, they were actually underwater a little bit more. And that's why we were below the strike price. Now, if we were above it, it would have been okay, just like the IWM. IWM's opened up okay. So, but my God, look at this. A little inside bar. Let's see. This will be the big area, 287, guys. Let's see if we get above that. God, at 287, was that like 28? God, making it tough. Going into Options X next week. Again, being heroes. I hate that. For you new guys, remember, take the profits. If you have a smaller account, just take them. Down in here, guys, you had a great chance to get out of them. And then as they went up, we hit this area here, which was a good area. So, I'm going to have a look. And look, it stalled out, but then it just kept going on us. But still, we have an hour and 15 minutes left. You never know. Back here, these went from 6 cents to 60 cents. I'm willing to take the casino bet, guys. And the IWM Lotto calls today? Yeah, nice. We killed it too, man. All right, let's see here. QCOM was up today. Yeah, that's going on news and the crap with Apple. But it went up. We pulled it off. We already the trade on that one. Let's see here. We shorted at 87. Then we got out half at 81.95. We shorted again at 88.95. We pulled half off at 88 or 83. So we're still in it. It's going up again. You know what? Starts hitting that $90 area. I'll do it again, guys. We already got in, got out, got in, got out. We're way ahead of the game now on this one. All right. And if you want, put a break even up there. If it goes back up, do it. Do a $2 stop. You made money on it. Who cares? But yeah, no, good eye. If this thing keeps going, guys, let's do it again. Boom. Comes back up double time. It is consolidating sideways above the moving average. It is in a stronger stance, but man, go to the monthly. Boom. Look at that. $62 is your price target right now. If you cannot stay up in this higher range and continue going up, well, the SPY is going to have to continue grinding for this thing to grind. But you're in a critical area. For me, I'm half out again, guys, totally in the driver's seat. I'll just put a stop at $90 or so, a little bit above. I'll probably 90.50. So I'll probably take it to the 90 number, get everybody out, and then drop it. You know, that's their typical bullshit move. Bring it up and then drop it in everyone's face. All right, let's see. Let's see what else. X. You want to look at X? Yeah, let's look at X. Yeah, the talking heads were talking about buying that yesterday. I was going to do a video on it. I don't think it's ready yet, guys. I like 1280. I like 10 even better. I was going to do a video on this because all the talking heads were telling everyone to buy it the other day, and I was going to do it. No, let it come down. First thing, though, if you bought it off the talking heads the other day on CNBC, great. It's got to get back above the 20 MA and then back above here and then come up to 20 and then possibly 25. But you got to get back above these MAs, fill the gap, get above all this action here, come to the 20 MA, and then there's a gap fill right around the 25.06. If you get in this trade, it goes to there, get the hell out. If you're trying to go long in this trade and starts falling, if it fills this gap down here and breaks $14 or so, it's going to be lights out for this one. I like the $10 area on this one. The market's pull back, it will be at 10. And oh, man, I want this market to pull back so bad so we could be buyers again. Buy the dip. But yeah, that's what I was talking about. I like this 1280 area too. You have this little pivot. Yeah, Windows. I have. Oh, that's Defenders. I have all that crap. I like the 999, $10 right in here, guys. And if that cracks, we're going back to 628. But right now, not bad. Little oversold. We shorted this one. Short, short, short. Everyone's, you're short next. You're nuts. All right. But yeah, little doji on the monthly. It's not the monthly. The month isn't over yet. Let's look at the weekly. Let's just see. No, I was just looking at this the other day. But yeah, it's still weak. Look, you're below that on the weekly. Till we get above that 20 area, then maybe the 25. But if we stay in the slower channel, it's chopping around. These curl down. I think that $10 is coming, 1280 and $10. So just be careful with this one, Abe. Or was it Abe? Yeah. Yeah, just be careful because, you know, and it's a little oversold. I like what you're looking at, but just be ready just in case it starts to break. And if you take a position long, just go small. Less, maybe 5% of your total portfolio, maybe. And if it comes down a little bit more, inch it in, cracks 14, and you got to get the hell out. And then 1280, maybe markets are dumping, then you got to wait for that 10. Look at that. They're sticking it to us, guys. Damn. SPY puts, short and puts, traded the day again. I just couldn't do it with the confirming downtrend. Volume was shitty, but still, damn. All right, guys, we're at 7 cents on those now. Yeah, thank God. Gosh, unbelievable. Well, that's all right. You just go small. Don't go huge. Just keep it slow and steady, guys. Yeah, QCOM was going. JMI, nice bounce after getting decimated. Let's see, JMI. We were talking about this one yesterday, I believe. JMIA. Oh, God, look at that. What the hell happened here? Were we looking at this one yesterday? Wow. I don't know if we talked about this, but man, look at that. Again, guys. Boom. Comes back. It's everybody going. Oh, hype, 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 hype. Right here, they put it on CNBC. Double upgrade. Everyone's talking about it. So the guys who held here, sold here, chased it here. I was that trader, guys. Chased it here. Then they slammed them again. Now it's just like, holy crap. Look at that double bottom right there, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Can't ask for a better bounce than that. But still, it's a new issue. I'm not messing around with this one. Look at that double bottom. Low of the day on this one was 1826. Low of the day was 1813. What a bounce. Damn. I wish I would have caught that one. Excuse me, guys. 10. Oh, yeah, look at that. We could have caught that. Look at that. Right in the double bottom, guys. And boom. What happened, though, guys? SPY started going. What was this doing? So everything's going. Even our beloved stamp is going. DMP. A little upside down on this trade, but, man, they're trying. 40 was the big area, guys. 40.87 up in there. Let's look at you're long with me in this one. Hey, not bad day. A little bit more. Got to get above that 40. Well, 42, the high of yesterday. 42.35 and 44.49. And then this guy here around the 50. We get above 50, then we can start going some more. Still, though, guys, it's just a beat down name. Monthly chart, just like high flyers. This is a low flyer extended from the 20. Look at that, though, guys. We were short up here. Oh, we didn't hold it all the way down. Looking at these, I'm trying to hold quarter positions in these high flyers, guys. All right, let's see. Yeah, look at that, though. Damn. JMIA. Chew. Wow. Trade with 2008. We shutted the whole way down the SPS and flipping long. Nice. Nice. Leverage is what kills you, trader. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, totally. Totally kills everybody. Well, not even that, Buster. What happens is, and I try to explain this to people. What's your target for Coop? Oh, God. I mean, it's a high flyer. If you short this thing around 100, I mean, it could go to 63, guys. Easily. Okay, let's pull this up since we went a little higher now. You know what? You're shorting up here 100, 103, 102, and anywhere above 100, I think you're good. I mean, it's still, don't go all in, not at 10%. I'd start with maybe a 5 here. Maybe go even a little bit smaller, just in case it pushes to 110. You get in at 110, 102, your average price is around 106 or whatever. Guys, even on, 84 maybe? 83? I mean, I'll be done, but I'll be done if it goes to 90. I'll get my 10% and thank you. But honestly, at the end of the day, it could go to 63, guys. Weekly, let's look at the 200 MA. There isn't one on here yet. So, yeah, I mean, gosh, I mean, it's coming off a bullish base on the weekly, guys, but man, it's getting extended. Even on the weekly, it's a little bit extended. All right. And then you got this trend line. I mean, if you really want to split hairs, you got this up here. Trying. I don't like the upsloping trend lines, but we can put it in there. And then daily, let's see what the daily's doing. Guys, those 285s are at 7 cents. No, like last time, they could go to 60. No, who knows? But yeah, daily's not bad. Basing above the MAs, going up. Let's look at one thing though, guys. Let's see. Actually, no, I'm not going to look at that. That'll be for another day for my members. That's something I use, a tool, and you know what? I'm not going to show everybody. Too bad. The members will get it on the next. We'll do a nightly live session. We'll go over some more setups and stuff. But target for Coop, yeah, you start going $90, $85, start pulling it off. Maybe hold a quarter position and try to get to that 75 area. But when this one starts, it's all based on the SPY, though. SPY starts dumping. Monthly chart, though, looking right, guys. Wow. Look at this. When we were stretched here, came back in. Now we're stretched again even further. It's going to come back in. It's just a matter of time, guys. That's why with these monthly chart plays or trades, options are really, really tough. Sometimes we've looked back and you know, looked at some options where, hey, if you would have taken this one, went 6 months out, you know, blah, 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 they would have actually worked out. But that decay just kills you, especially if we sit up here for a little while. I mean, this one next week can come down. We're going straight down. So watch for earnings too. I don't know if earnings are, but just make sure it's under 5% right now. Shares only, guys. Shares only. Man. Yeah, this thing starts going 91, 84, 78, 72, and then the 20 MA. Damn, everyone laughs too. 20 MA, you're nuts. And then I've been playing these for years, guys. Yeah, they're taking us. Damn it. A little push there killed us. And a little drop on the SPY, they went to 30 cents. Gosh, and then 40 minutes straight up to 8 cents. Mamma mia. They're taking everyone to the cleaner, guys. Whoever's going, you know, and your typical retail traders are going all in every time. That was me, guys. And finally, I got a handle. 12 years later, I finally got a handle on everything. It's still tough sometimes, guys. Excuse me. Still tough. I had to sell my workday put that expired next week. Reason it was because 2 more put orders executed before I could cancel. Yeah, those are tough. The puts are tough. You got it. Yeah. Those are just tough trades, especially on the ones that are flying. You know, and if you're going to do it, you got to go out further. That week or two is just not going to buy me. Yeah, maybe it comes in. Sometimes they do, but usually it's a couple months, guys. And sometimes, hey, when they drop like a rock, even better. Kill it on IWM Lotto's calls today. Yeah, nice. That was a great bounce. It was a lotto, though. Let me tell you, I didn't see that coming. Is X dead? Is it? Yeah, it depends on the market. Markets keep going, and maybe something with Trump that can possibly help it. But yeah, X, that's just a tough one. I mean, it's beaten down. I like what you're seeing. You know, you're not buying up here. I like that. You're at the 750 retrace from this high to that low. Man, though, it's just, I mean, this is where it's got to bounce. If not, you know, you're looking at that 1280 right here in the 10. Markets sell. It's going lower. Markets catch a bid. Maybe with the China trade and we go up for another couple weeks, then yeah, this one will start grinding. Man, at the end of the day, you know, I mean, even this one, 2000. I mean, we got the bounce. Look at that. We got the bounce. Remember, the market went up in December. And then as soon as that, you know, we started getting a month into it, this one just right back down. I mean, it was going up with the SPY. Then we hit resistance up in here, and it was like, yeah, I don't think so. So, not dead, but not the best. Yeah, for me, it's lower. If you're in this one, I'd hate for, you know, there's nothing. If it gets below 14, then you might have to cut it. If it holds 15, even better. You know, we made the low on the weekly. It looks like we're making a higher low. I mean, if it keeps stair stepping, yeah, right now it's not giving me too much, but it's trying to hold that support down in here. 20 MA or on the daily, you got to get back above this MA and maybe fill this gap. And then this pivot high, 18, gap window, gap fill. But this little boom and led to down, and now you're downside. It's weak. Let's see if we get back above that 20 MA, and then we'll go from there. Let's see here. Tesla bookie. Yeah. Oh, gosh, here we go. Uncle Jerome, I'm working, man. I'm working. Hold on here, guys. I have the volume off, too. I know it's my mom. I know it is. Are you watching these markets? Uneffing believe it. She even, too. She calls me. She's like, oh, my gosh. Up, 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 up. It's like, oh, they're just taking the puts to the hole, guys. These puts were $3 at one time. They're 6 cents today. $3 to 6. Damn. Should have taken them. I just couldn't step up, guys. Sorry. I thought I was taking my profits on the puts. And I was just like, you know what? I'm not going to short these puts to get to have one more dip on these markets and these things blow up and they take everything I made today. So I kept it small as it was going up. I added a little more puts on the SPY. The IWM, I got the hell out. I said, thank you very much. And then I should have just pulled it all off. Damn, some big order. Look at those orders going through on the SPY, though. 1,000 contracts, 100 contracts. Yeah, these guys shorted puts. And I knew it. Right when I started seeing some big orders going through at the highs, it was like, you know, they're starting to short puts again. Holy crap. That's the easiest trade. Look, we're going for the 200 MA now. So, hey, if we keep grinding, guys, if you're long in these markets, everything's going to start grinding. All right. If you're short, it's going to be tough. High flyers are a different story. Those things are just flying regardless. Those, when we get the down days, we'll get those, we'll get out of those. Gosh, just keep grinding, though. Unbelievable. I hate that. I hate when I miss that trade. Here we come, though. Gap fill, guys. Let's see. Next, we're just filling gaps, going up like it's, like we're massively, 74 million, huge volume. Not. Will they take it? We're so close to these guys. I bet you there's a lot of people waiting to short here, and they're just gonna take it short. They're just gonna leave it right almost in there because your other technical guys are waiting for the Pierce of 288.13 to 200 MA. Probably won't even get there. But look at this shit. We pull back one candle, guys. 50 minutes straight up. Almost 50 minutes. Unbelievable. Well, let's see. Here it is. Double top, gap fill. See what we do. And now looking at the 50 or the 60-minute time frame, we're still in this area. But at 12:30, will we stay above the 20 MA in this gap fill, or are we going to pull back and come back below the 20 MA in the gap fill? So this is a pretty big area right here, guys. All right, see what happens. God, look at this crap. Uber constructive China meeting. And then, guys, remember, it was a constructive China meeting back on. Let's just go here. Back on December 3rd. Remember that? When they were all in that G20 meeting? Oh, it's a constructive meeting. They're close. I think Trump's pulling out his pen. He's signing it. Oh, here we are 6 months later. We're close. Constructive criticism or constructive deal. They're working things out. It's like, damn. Then look, you get a little bit of news and that's it. It's like, oh, push it, Jerome, push it. The Fed has a trading desk, guys. I don't know if you know that or not. They do trade with us. You think the hell's holding this crap up every day? All right, guys, looks like we're filling the gap. Lovely. Puts are doing awesome. Damn. All right, guys, the SPY puts we added for next week. I'm going to go a little bit more with those, but I'm going to see what we get at the end of the day. I got to put on another small position, but yet you notice as the weeks go by, I add 3. Then I go 2, then I go smaller. I'm just going smaller and smaller, guys. If the market's going to grind on me, then that's fine. Let them grind. But at this point, let's see if we can make it to the 288. And the next area would be a 289 area, or this little pivot here where we broke down. It didn't break down, but someone came in and dumped. All right, guys, filled the gap. They're going to start pushing again, though. Push. They got to get it above that. That's the key area. First one was about 285. Got it above that. Next area, get above the gap fill. That's the goal. Shit. Look at this. I knew it. Right when I got those puts, so I should have just dumped them and then went golfing. Sometimes it's better, guys. Take the money and, all right, thank you. See you next time. That we had to be a hero, go back in, but we went small. Still hurts, but it's like, damn, giving money back. Son of a gun. All right, let's see here. Oh, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla, same crap. Tesla, we had calls. Thank God we got rid of them. We were in the 517s. Maybe now, though. Maybe. Man, it's still holding that area. Gosh, where are they? That might, you know what? That might be, But options X next week. Maybe they do rip heads off. All right, so we were in the 250s, guys. We bought, look at that. Thank God we sold. They were at we bought right around 5. They're at $1.61 now. Man, that's still, I still like that trade. Let's see. If we go in 240s, they're at, well, 240s are at 5. Maybe that's not a bad one. All gaps are out of the way on the upside. Are they? I'm not sure, but my gosh, let's show the 200 MA too. Instead of buying stocks, if you buy leaps, then options work because the decay is really small. Okay. Yeah, if you want to go in that coupe and buy a leap, great. If that helps the decay, okay, perfect. Yeah, so oh my gosh. This is tempting, guys, right here. Maybe shares. Keep it simple. Shares, we get back below 231, you get out. Small accounts, maybe take a small call play. But man, as long as it's holding this area down in here, you're good. It starts to crack, you got to get out. You go closer with the weeklies, and then you're not going to have time at all. But if you get that quick bounce, we got in calls here, guys. They doubled right here. I got the hell out. Next day, they kind of chopped around. Everyone was like, dude, you get out of those calls. You're crazy. Now it's like, how crazy am I? But that's why we get 100% on a call. Get out. We get 100% on those puts today. Get out. Save a couple. Goes up. Don't load the house. Small, small, small. Now we're getting killed again. But now we're getting killed. We're just going small. Now we're at the casino, guys. All right. Can I have that? Can I get that? Let's see. What do I want that on that? Can I get the steak dinner and the side of let's go with broccoli, and I'll take a calamari appetizer, and just do a 7-Up or a Sprite. That's the casino, guys. And I explain that to you guys. And the more you follow me, the more you got the new members, you'll start understanding this game, guys, about loading the boat. And sometimes you get that big trade, you load the boat, and it's like, yeah. Then 3 days later, it's like, no. Oh my gosh, I was just killing it. And it's like, damn, what the hell just happened? Yeah, so even the IWM puts, guys, go into the basement. Thank God, seal it. And those actually held up pretty good because the strike price is at 157. They're coming down. Don't give me. They went from 333 to 80 cents. But right now they're just kind of chopping where the SPY, since they had the 285s, those are just going to the basement. Those don't even have a chance unless we dump. Yeah, thanks, Robert. Yeah, where's Don? You know what? I'm going to block him. I'm not going to have him come in anymore. Sorry, Don. I got to write his name down so I know. But I think Don has a bunch of fake names. Let's see, Don. And you know it's Donkey Boy because he just disappears. He's a moron. Or he's still in here on another name, maybe. Who knows? I think this guy's been trolling me for a while too. So let's just take care of this guy. Let's just take care of this guy right now. Yeah. Wow, no subscribers, no channel, nothing. Jeez, wonder what this guy is. But don't worry, he'll come in as a different name. You guys don't worry about that. That's why we'll do more go-to-meeting stuff at this point. But Don's gone. All right, so let's see. Instead of buying stocks, leaps. Yeah, the options. I've just really started training them a couple of years ago. I've always done shares. I've always was told by the guys who trained me that, hey, options are great, but they're dangerous. Now though, I have a decent sized account. I play them a little bit more, but I play them small. I don't go crazy with them. But let's see here though, guys. If you want to take a casino bet on next week with options X, let's see what we can do here. I'm just going to start. I'm going to look at some stuff here. But yeah, maybe go a little lower this time. I don't want to put too much out there, especially on this one. Yeah, because you don't want to go too nuts. All right, guys, so total. All right, let's see. All right, so SPY's grinding. Everything's going. Tesla, though, hold that area. Not bad. I mean, it's still, I talked about this, though, going down, chopping in this lower range can be dangerous. If it starts to slip, this can get easily. If we start busting through here, it's going a lot lower. So if you're trying to attempt to buy calls, buy some long shares, just go small. This area cracks, gap fill, we're done. SPY dumps next week, it's all done. It's Tesla though. We do have options. So maybe some people are going to put some bets on some options. We will find out soon enough on these. Yeah, I'm looking just to see what these things are trading at. Yeah, I don't even hate to do it, and then we get dumped on. And then it's like you just sit there like a deer in headlights, and you're like, oh man, you're getting killed now. Yeah, but this one, nothing really to do. Let's see if we start to roll. If you want to take a shot with calls, you can. If it breaks through there. If I do it, I'll post it. I'll see what happens towards the end of the day. See if we start catching a bid. But I mean, look at this action though in this chart. Just ugly, guys. High, lower, downtrend now. 200 over the 50 over the 20. It's looking ugly. Looking ugly. You know, but hey, I took those calls, got the hell out. You love me, huh, Robert? We have what is it called? A bromance? We have a bromance here now, guys. So right now, just chopping around, grinding higher, grinding us on these options. Damn. You do the rug pull today. That'll be pretty hilarious. Look at this, though. Every index is the same, guys. It's just a coordinated buy program, guys. And who do you think's doing a coordinated buy program across the board? I bet it's Goldman Sachs and putting some risk out there. I bet it's those guys, you know. But look at the SPY 10-minute. Look at the Qs 10-minute. Look at the IWM. A little bit weaker on the IWM, though. That's kind of didn't make it the gap fill. So this one might be talking to us just a little tiny bit. Little tiny bit. Still looking here. Hold on, guys. All right, so let's see if we continue to grind. You know what? I'm going to, guys, if you want me to look at a symbol, punch up the sign, $sign, and I'll start looking at some other stuff. But I want to look at some. So the 285s are pretty much done. Let's look at this. So May 17s. May 17th. I'm just looking at some options, guys. It's like, all right, what do I want to do here? I mean, the markets are grinding. It's kind of like, just leave it alone right now. Damn, look at these markets, though. Just grind. Look at the May 17th puts and calls are on the IWM are both red. Good job. You know, it's like, geez, they're just grinding everybody. Tesla's starting to take off a little bit. Nothing crazy. All right, guys. We're going to do this. Oops. God, I did typing and this and that. All right, guys. All right, I think it's let's see, 245. All right. All right, guys, if you remember, I just posted something, so check that out. It's going to be a high-risk trade, guys, going into options X next week. Just take a couple. Don't load the house. Just put something on. If you have a smaller account, maybe buy one, maybe. If you had some profits this week, great, do it. If you didn't have any profits, you didn't take anything off these puts this week, then just kind of sit on your hands. So, all right, IWM still going higher. Awesome. Love it. Love the IWM right now. All right, let it grind it. I don't care. Let it keep grinding. Let it keep grinding. And we'll be waiting, waiting, and waiting. All right, so let's see here. Bear with me, guys, right now. All right. Holy cow, it just keeps going. It's incredible. We might have to go a little higher on this one here. Yeah, so those 285s, guys, done. Don't even look at them anymore. Starting to look at some other ones. Give me a second, guys. Wow, we are going. We might be going to the geez. There it is. Filled the gap right to the 200, guys. Amazing. Just amazing action. You want to make that Uber? Yeah, oh yeah. Trump just, no, did he? Oh my God. The madness continues, guys. Holy cow. Trump just tweeted, so be careful, guys, especially if you're short with puts or anything like that. Just keep it simple right now. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Here we go, guys, though. I mean, this could be the end of the road with it. Hit that and comes right back down. 288 even number, 200 MA, but if he's tweeting, it could be a little dangerous, so don't get crazy on me. Holy cow, though. Wow. That's just amazing to me, guys. Completely amazing. Yeah, I'm sitting on my hands right now. I gotta let it keep going. Almost though tempted to take something here, just in case they pull the rug, because now it's just like, look, it's this, it's that. They're just throwing anything out there now, anything. So the 288s are at 49 cents, guys. Man, look at this. Holy cow. So Teslas. All right, let's see. SPY puts, the 288s are going off around 47 cents, 41 cents, 43 cents. Oh, man, do we step in front of the freight train? I mean, oh, man, I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if what we do here. But Teslas are going now. All right, guys, get ready here. For you members. Holy cow, look at this crap. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's almost the end candle too. I don't know if I want to touch this. This is if I post this trade, guys, it's gonna be a total woo. All right, I'm breathing here. All right. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot, guys. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Here we go. All right, guys. 288s. High risk trade. Let's see. If they push it, we're done. If they drop it, we'll make a good little profit at the end of the day. All right, total high risk trade, guys. You remember, you got the trade, so. And then also, let's see here. Looking at a couple other things too for next week. I don't know if I'm going to do anything here, but we'll see. All right, guys, let's see. Wow. I got to put a little more on here, guys. Where are we? All right, come on. Just one big pullback into the close. Because really, guys, nothing's really flipping done right now. They haven't done nothing. It's just amazing. Just amazing. And I just sit here, it's just like, what? That's all right. There we go, guys. One more. I did one more, guys. Members, check it out. IWM. Just a small, guys. Just a couple. I'm just like, you know what? Let's just breathe. Let's see what we get next week on Monday and stuff. If we had to, we'll add a little bit more. And then this one too. I gotta have some skin in the game on these guys. Have to. I just, yeah, I have to. Let's see if they push it up. That's fine. That's fine. Went small. No big deal. They could take me right to zero, though, guys. Damn, though. What a wrench, though, today. They screwed a lot of people, especially with the puts. Because they were just like on CNBC, they're just like, oh, it's this. And they're just throwing out everything. And then right when the Uber one comes up, it's like, no way. Are you kidding me? Damn, here we go on the 288s. Oh, my gosh. We just need a drop. If they don't, then hey, like I said, here we go. We're rolling the dice. If I get 50%, I might just pull it, but we'll see. Let's see here. All right, they're right in the gap fill, or right into the 200. They even look at that. Look at this one. They don't want to screw around with gap fill anymore, guys. Push it. It's like, yeah. All right, guys. Oh, shoot. I posted the wrong one. Oh, gosh. All right, guys, hold on here. Damn it. Trying to find the right damn thing here. All right, hold on here. All right, right here. Let me repost that. Gosh. All right, here. Is that the right one? Oh, my gosh. What am I doing? I got it all wrong, guys. All right, breathe. Type it in slowly. Let's see. Yeah. All right, there we go. Wow. There we go. No, I better go back. Hold on here. No, these are, that's not right. God, I just put a tweet out there with 245 strike on the SPY. That's I fat fingered it. So just disregard that one. All right, anyways. Let's see. And I wish I made it more removed depending on it. Yeah. I mean, they haven't done anything. Try puts for Try puts for next Friday, yes. 290 is now the target. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, this will be a big test right here, 289.25. See if we get above that. Right now, they're just taking us to the house. Should I take profits bought today at 193, or is this a reversal on Apple? Should I take profits? You bought at 193 as what, a long on Apple, D? God, if you bought, at least lock something in. If you bought shares and got some, yeah, lock something in because you never know. Next week we're going into options X, and if you're long Apple, I mean, just tighten the stop. But yeah, take something and just let it ride. We could go higher, but or on Monday we drop like a flipping brick. Now we're in the news. Everything's about news. So anything's possible next week. All right. But we want to be positioned to the short side just in case. You know how those go. And guys, if you did anything with Tesla, they're up like 60 cents right now. So want to take some profits, take them. If you have a smaller account, $50 a contract, you make a couple hundred, get the hell out. See ya. All right, guys, so we'll see. Doing a casino play on the 288s. If we get a pullback, great. If we don't, then hey, we go down with the ship. That's it. Man, look at this, though. They got the underlying, but they got it going now. They're on a mission now. Ah, yeah. Here's our mission 290. Jesus. On what? And oh yeah, someone mentioned Trump text. Yeah, awesome. Tweet it higher, Trump, like Elon. He's becoming an Elon. So we'll see what happens. God dang it! Look at this crap. Yeah, they're in there, taking all these options as zero, guys. Holy crap! Oh my gosh. All right, just go small, members. Just go small. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. This is incredible. I put a limit order for 199. Oh, they'll probably come and get you then. Look at this. Ay, ay, ay. All right, look, we're going right to the 200 and the 50 MA, guys. Next stop. Now though, all right, we got to take this fib out there because that's pretty much done. That fib meant shit today. Now it's really all right. Let's go from this gap fill here. Let's go from that gap fill. Let's go to the bottom. Look at that. We're right there. And then what else we come into? This little top here. Yeah, it's a pretty good area, but here comes the volume. Oh, you know what's going on right now, guys? Shorts are giving up. Everyone who shorted down here, they're getting effed right now. Hard. Oh my God, it's going to break down. Hurry, short it. And then you got you probably got CNBC this morning. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Putting in the doom and gloom in their ear for the next hour and a half. Oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. And then here they're like, wow, buy the dip. China, it was constructive, the meeting. I love that. Constructive. Tesla's starting to go, though. Well, why, though? Everything's going. Where's that stamp now? Where is it? Yeah, it's still holding for above 40, though. We want 40. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Stamp, we don't want to get stamped. But, yeah, well, let's see. That's your next area right there. That's coming off this gap window. So that's pretty much your last high. Other than here, I don't want to put it here yet. If we start blasting through there, then we'll put it on this one. But that's your last one. We'll see. I mean, we got, God, unbelievable. 81 million, guys. If we had 180 million, this thing would be going down. Here they are. The greedy Wall Street pigs taking us to the house. Hey, casino play. Great trade, bookie. Right? Yeah. All right, so we'll see what happens with these. Man, unbelievable. It's all right, though. Got to get some skin in the game here, guys. But they're taking it. They want these options to be a zero by the end of the day. So someone had 289s, 290s. They needed a higher price, and they said, all right, let's do this on news. Where do we go here? Wow. I try to wait until the end of the day with all these. Oops, hold on here. Wow. Unflippin' believable, guys. This is the shit I cannot stand. Once again, just like the last 18 weeks, guys, what do we go up on? Flipping nothing. Zero. Nothing. This other than good support down in here, this was all China trade, earnings, China trade, earnings. Now we're back where, guys? China trade. Look at this, though. Weekly doji. That's interesting. That's interesting to me, at least. Wow. Oh, my gosh. This is what ay, caramba. But hey, we're going to take what they give us, and then we'll go from there. No big deal. Last 3 weeks, guys have been killing it. So, but man, it's just like, I can't stand, we have a gap fill, this one, and it just motors right through them all. It's just like, wow. It's like, that's just amazing to me. This thing holds like no tomorrow. Not even real. I mean, we filled the gap down here, but then it holds. But man, good big gap fills, even numbers, 200 MAs, just right through it like it's nothing. But you saw that, guys. They gap fill, 200 MA. And what'd they do? Just really, someone came in and just, push it so we can exit all those short puts. And once we all get out, then we'll send it lower. All right. Dun, da, da, da. Right. Captain Under. What is it? Underpants? Captain Underpants? Captain Underpants. My kid comes in. I don't know if any of you guys have kids. Bookie, what's a good number on volume when it's not considered light? I want to be the first half hour. I want to be pushing 40, 50 million in the first half hour. 20 million's good. You keep it at that 5, 10 million shit. It's a joke. most likely. Usually halfway through around noon, you double it at the end of the day. That's usually your volume. I think we were pushing 45 million today at noon, so we're right at that 90 million number. You start pushing 150 and you're at noon, and then you're doing this right here at 150 million, 180 million, we're going down. No news is taking that shit up. That's just the way it is. But as soon as that dropped, I mean, volume stayed pretty good today. Not bad. But look at this. Look at this. It starts dropping right here. And what happens? Right back up. All right, guys. Those 30-cent options are pushing 32. Come on, baby. Oh, if they do the rug pull out, this will be, oh my gosh. I'm almost tempted to take the Teslas, guys. They were pushing like 370. You have a smaller count, 370, made $70 an option. Get out. No, but that's worth a risk. Options X next week. Tesla been beaten down. Got to give that one a shot. But yeah, you want to push. You push 200 million. Because guys, look, when we were dumping daily, when we were dumping back here, guys, we were pushing 264, 250. And then look, we start going down 138, 140. And then boom, right back to where, guys? 50, 60, 90, 80. Then what do we get? Straight up. Ah, come on. We got to get back below the 20 MA on the SPY on the 10-minute time frame, or the 200 MA. We get back below 288, then we could possibly see some profit taking. Man, bulls are getting the shit kicked out of them right now. Every time they try to buy the dip, they buy this dip, guys, it goes up, and the next day they're gapping it down on them again. They buy the dip down here, then they gap it down on them again. They buy the dip, gapping it down. So they're roller coastering both sides right now. Let's see. Just trying to get a handle here. Everybody loves underdog to win. Yeah. But if you're going to win and be an underdog, go small. That's all we're looking for. Just a trade, quick in and out. Yeah, Tesla. What a nice bounce, though. It's not over yet until it's, yeah, exactly. The lottos, right, D? The lottos pick. Hey, if you're in those 288 puts, guys, on the SPY, they're going off at 33. If you don't want to take the pain, cut them. Take the $9, pays for your commission, and you're done. But make sure you tell us that you sold them, because I'm going to hold them. Because if you guys are dumping, I'm holding. Usually they'll start to fly. So 30, we get 15 cents, guys, 50%. I might start chiseling them. Hey, they're at 36 cents now, guys. Come on, 288. We still have 6 minutes of this candle. We have 6. No, we have 5. What a great week, guys, though. We got out of a lot of some of our shorts. We had some great put plays. We had calls. We do everything, guys. I don't give a shit what it is. I'm just trying to make you guys money. So you guys stick around and pay me for the rest of your life. No, like I tell people, guys, learn the technicals. I'm going to be doing the more. All right, guys, these are going off at 41 cents. If you took those at 30, take something. And then please let us know, though, because if these things start to go, then we're going to Raj, you joined the parade when? That's right. The beautiful letter. Trump even sent it. All right, guys, these are going off at 50 cents. 50 cents. If you're in these, pull them. Hold on, guys. Now I got to post something on Twitter. I wish everyone was here live. Oh my gosh. All right, shoot. I'm not even ready. Usually I'm SPY puts 288 at 50. Oh, 54. Please sell. Sell, guys. I'm starting to dump, guys. 54 cents. I'm starting to dump. 54. All right. I got a couple left. Let's see if we get one more dump. Woo! Love it. Lottos are paying, guys. Lottos are paying. All right, guys. I'm out at some 54. Damn, I can't even post these now. Oh my God. SPY puts. Oh shit. I'm in trouble here, guys. 60 cents, guys. 60 cents. Start taking them. 100%, guys. 100%. Get out. Shit. 288. 100%. Oh, I got to tell my members now. Get out. Sorry, the typing sucks, but oh my gosh. All right, guys. I'm stolen some. All right. Hold on. All right, guys. I'm pulling some more off. Oh my gosh. 67 cents, guys. I'm done. I'm out. Right. I don't even know what the hell I got. I would have to look. I'm out. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Out. I can't even at SPY puts 288. Shit. Right. I just got to put something on there. Closed. And if it drops, great, guys. I'm done. Woo! Yeah. How the hell was that, guys? All right, perfect. Now we went out to 517s, guys. Make sure you are in those and something on those, all right? Kick ass. There you go, baby. Love it. That's why, like right now with these markets, you got to take a shot. Wow. Woo. Love it. Man, love that shit, guys. Bam. Yeah, sometimes it works, guys. But man, that's why we're looking at these levels. Scat fill. This was the big FU put to all the puts that are trying to hold on for dear life. And as everyone's dumping and going, oh my gosh, it's like, wait a minute here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we talk about 7, guys? 750 retrace. Even number. 289 up in there. 288. These things can go to freaking a buck, guys. All right, if you're in it, hang on. Hang on. Hey, Donkey Boy, you in here? Did you see that? Little scalper? No, only crumbs. Remember that. All right, guys, hold it. Remember, if we come back below, we still have a couple minutes left of this candle. If we close below the 200, this could be on. Next big area, we will be into support around the 287.25 area because that is the high from the other day. We are holding the old gap fill as well. If that starts cracking, these things are going to fly. I'm out. I'm done. If you guys want to hold and be a super pig, good for you guys. Hopefully these things go to $6. If they go to 6, then you better send me some gifts like the Donkey Boy. Send me gifts. I won. Guys, 68 cents now. Shit. Should have held some. I don't care, guys. 100% at the end of the day. Goodbye. But at least I'll have a nice trade that I could post on StockTwits now. Get more of you guys in to join my group. I don't care, guys. I tell it how it is. I love it because, like on days where it's slow, I could teach you guys. On days where it's quick like this, boom, we're getting in trades. Everyone should have had that flip and trade there, guys. Everybody in this room today should have had something in the 288s. Actually, of my members. For the guys who aren't members, you kind of sitting on the sideline. You're a madman. Love it. I know. Right, Armando? You should have seen me 11 years ago. I started with a $30,000 account and scalp trading for 6 months. I made almost about 50. I think it was about 55 grand in 6 months off a $30,000 account. The guys who were teaching me were like, holy shit, you're an animal. They're like, for 6 months into it, I was living and breathing charts. They're like, we've never seen anybody look at these charts and take these trades and make the money you're making. I was an animal. They wanted me to work for them. And I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm just a trader, guys. Now that I'm getting older, I want to teach people this method. So look at that, guys. These things are going off 72 now, 71. Just make sure all the members, what we did with the IWM and the SPY for next week. All right, small, but we got to get our foot in. Damn, the Teslas, I almost wish we would have sold those now. Made about 70 on each one. They were at 305. They went to 370. I'm almost thinking maybe that was the move to get the hell out of those. All right, guys, these things go off 72 now. Please, I don't want to get an email going, StockBookie, I bought those at 30 and they went to 0 then. I didn't sell. They were at 76 now, guys. Holy crap. We get one more dip, guys. These things could maybe go to $1.50. Robert, you in here? You catch that one? Robert, if you're in here, you better caught that one. And you better come back and sign up again. I'm missing you. No, I get people who quit my service, guys. I get the email. Hey, man, I wasn't following what you were doing. I lost all my account and I'm out of money, but I'm going to sign up when I get more money. And it's like, damn. It's like, guys, if you have a small account, just learn the technicals. It's an education, guys. 80 cents these are going off at. Damn it. Yeah, I held a couple, guys. So, I'm riding these. Right? That's your StockTwits trader. I put an order in to sell and it didn't take me at 60 and I'm still in at 80. 80 cents now, guys. 30 to 80. Damn. Now I'll start. Give me gifts now, or I kick you out. Not getting out of my Mondays? No, don't be a pig, see? You know what happened. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to short puts now. No, I'm kidding. Wow, what a day. Everyone should be out of these. They went to 80 cents, 30 to 80. Get the hell out. I know, Raj. You're too good for the group. I know. Raj, I've known for years. And, he shows up late in the day. Hey, I'm Raj. I'm here. I'm just busting your chops, buddy. Oh, yeah, you got to show up early. You're on the Twitter feed. You too, Carmela. I didn't see your post earlier. Well, you follow me, killing me. And see, shorting puts. That would have happened today. Look at the short puts. I just couldn't do it, guys. Now it's like, oh, that would have been the trade of the century. These options, everything was just, oh my gosh. And these options were popping. The IWM's even better. All right, guys, those options are going off at 74 cents. If you did happen to get those, great. Get the hell out. Yeah, because C and I are way too busy looking at charts. Yeah, come on, you're killing me. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'm going to go get my steak dinner now. I'm going to go to the Four Seasons. Now, look at that, guys. 80 cents again. Oh, my gosh. This could be the trade of the week. So now, on the puts that we held and added, the 285s that we got railed on, who gives a shit? Right? That's why we took those trades small when we added. We did this last trade here, got paid. So guess what, guys? We're good. And now we inched in for next week too. So, those now we're way ahead of the game. So don't go all in and be a hero on these next ones. Just slow and steady. Shit, guys, 84 now. Anybody hold them? Anybody? Tell me, one guy. Don't, even if you're lying, just punch it in so you could say, "Hey, I'm holding bookie. I'm being a look at this. They're bouncing them. 85s they were going off at. Spy going to 270. Don't listen to her. She's crazy. This Carmela's nuts." And she's learning from me, guys. Everyone's like, 270? Are you nuts? It puts a few minutes ago. You're late to the game, Raj. 93 cents, guys, from 30 cents. Robert, are you in here? I don't think he's in here today. Oh, my gosh. I hope he got one of those. He plays the lottos, too. And they're just a lotto, guys. Whatever you're willing to risk, that's what you're willing to lose. Hey, Donkey Boy, if you're in here, look, picking up crumbs again. Buying, covering, or taking our puts off in the morning and doing them again in the afternoon. Hit was diving. What was that one? Missed it. Spy going to 58 next week. Maybe 258, not 58. Guys, those things, the high of the day was 94 on those. Wait, 94, 95 they went. 95 clicked off even. Damn. Yeah, I held some. I got out at 92. All right, guys. You know what I'm in? We got a little bit left. I'll stick around for a couple minutes. Getting hungry. Got a lot going on today. We got an ice cream social at my kids' school today. So we're going to do a little bit of that. And it's funny. My kids are hilarious, guys. I mean, actually, my kids are a pain in the ass. They drain me dry. Like every day, they're like, "Dad, we need money for the snack bar." It's like, yeah, great. Here's some snacks. We have a snack bar at home. Grab it all there. Bring it there. Pretend like you gave the girl money, and then bring out your snack out of your bag. I mean, literally, we have everything here, guys. It's like, what are you going to buy there? Well, they have Cheetos. We have Cheetos right here. Well, I know, but I'm buying them there. The kids buy them too. It's like, yeah, for $1. We're getting them for 25 cents, kid. Like when we go to, was it not a main event? It's like, let's go there, Dad. I want to play all these games. I'm playing the unlimited games. I'm just playing. I don't care about tickets. But my kids, they get the tickets. They go back and they're like, "All right, Dad, we're going to get this." I'm like, "Do you realize it cost me $50 to buy that 20-cent thing that we could have got at Target for $1? Do you realize that?" So I'm trying to teach them money management too. All right, new coming in at 5 minutes. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, but what are they holding, guys? This old high pivot. It went through the gap fill. Next area was right here. All right. Now, okay, let's do this. Now we're at the top. No, let's get rid of this one. Now we're going short term, guys. Now we're going from this low to that high. Okay. Now look at that. 250 retrace with this high here and still gap fill. All right, guys, you should be out of that trade. Yeah, no, I hear you, Chris. I saw 58. I was like, is that a fat finger? Hit was diving? What's hit? I don't think I've ever looked at that. Is it $sign or is that shit? Oh, shit diving. Okay. See, I was like, shit, I never seen that one before. All right, news coming in. 5 minutes till close. Yeah, oh yeah. Throw it out there. China trade deal's close. It's close. Hurry. It's really close. It was close December 3rd, 2018. I think they were in the bathroom stalls sharing toilet paper. Hey, Trump, I need TP for my butthole. Trump's like, sure, we got the deal going or not? Oh, yeah, we're close. All right, here's some tea. Here's a couple squares. President, Z, I think his name is or something? I don't know. We were laughing, though. And then Trump will come. It's huge. The deal's huge. And then they got to throw out Buffett. Yeah, can we bring out Becky? I only do interviews with Becky. Jeez. Oh, I got to laugh at myself sometimes. All right, maybe I should get a chart up here. Maybe that would help a little bit. All right, we're holding gap fill, though, guys. That could be the line in the sand at this point, guys. So they had a mission today, guys. Uber, Trump trade, China trade fixed, Brexit's fixed. What else can they throw out there? They're eliminating all the debt for the college kids. Oh my God. It goes by 50. Are you sure? Yeah, no, it was a joke, Mario. Holy cow, guys. What? Oh my gosh. Love it. Lotto hit today, boys. They're still pushing 64.70. And we still have 10 minutes left. Oh my gosh. What if we get a major dump? Next area will be the 285, 83 area, though, if we start really rumbling. And if we do close below the 86.55 or the 20 MA on here on the 60 minute, that's a little bit bearish too. So let's see what they give us into the close. Right now, I could care less. What a great day. Yeah. Yeah, bookie, right? No, I don't have a big head, guys. I should be on Stock Twits going, I have been lately. Again, guys, I'll tell you, I want people in my room. I want to charge $30 a month. I want 500 people in here, and we're just kicking ass and taking names. I want to get a couple good traders in here too to help me out. A couple lead traders. I got a couple in mind, but and to help me out too. Just throwing out trades. I'm the commentary. I'm the the ringleader to this circus, guys. And we know who the lead clown is. Well, Don, we kicked his ass out earlier, but I know Pedro's in here looking around. What's up, Pedro? See those crumbs today? Killing it, guys. Killing it. Just remember, tell your members, tricky choppy. I'll do it for free, yeah. No, Robert, you had to pay extra. $50 a month for you. All right, guys, options 89 now. 85. Anybody still in these? Yeah, thanks, Armando. Yeah, Armando just signed up, killing it already. Nah, we'll get our asses kicked once in a while, guys. But what I teach my members, just like when we bought those puts back in January, all right, we had calls, riding them up, and we should have just stuck with them. But then we got cute, try to get some puts. But as we're going on, as the time's going by, we're going smaller and smaller. Don't want to give it away. Just like on Monday through Friday, we kick ass and take names, guys. Come Friday, go small. That's it. We're all in this together, guys. This is, it's us against the Fed. Well, sort of. Yeah. And the institutional money. And you can see there's a member in there. Every time we go to short shares on something, my members get in and then stock goes flying up. And it's like, are you kidding me? It's like, geez. And I forgot who it was. But there's a member that he makes a comment every time. He's like, there we go again, bookie. You short that stock and there it goes up. It's just like my members get in. I don't know how many members are popping in these short trades, but it's coincidence. I put the trade out there, and even if 10, 20 people get in the trade, next thing you know, the market makers are trying to squeeze it higher. But I better get a handle on this on these markets, guys. UBNT. Ah, what a beauty, guys. Another high flyer. Coming in for landing, baby. This one has a possibility of getting down. Pulled some more off today. Holding a small position now. Totally in the driver's seat. And this is what we do here, guys. Another high flyer. I'm in a bunch of these guys. I don't even know. I tend to not try to look, because then you start looking how much money you have, and you're like, oh my God, I got how much? Just like the story with the crap table yesterday. It's like you're just rolling. You're like, yeah, winning, woo-ha, yeah, and it's like, wait a minute, wait. How much money do I have out there on the table? Holy shit, okay. And then the 7 comes, and it's like, I should have been going lighter. It's the same concept, guys. Other than at the casino, you get the drinks. I mean, I guess if you're home, you could drink and, maybe a little 420. Smoke a little weed, look at the charts. Wow, look at that. Ooh, look at this high flyer. Wow, wait, let me smoke some more. Like Elon. Elon 420, I call him now. Hashtag Elon 420. Go for it, Elon. Stock's going to 420, baby. It's like, oh yeah, 420. Here we come. I wish it would. We're in calls now in Tesla. Come on, 420, right? All right, guys. Options on those 30 cents or $30 are going off at 90 cents again. Damn, am I good? No. Uber is below the open. No way. Is it coming in? Hurry, it's cheap. Is it below? Let's see, Uber. Uber's turning into a goo. Oh, no way. They did the rug pull. Holy shit. All right, guys, there's your bag holders right here. Oh, my gosh, no way. Already? And where's Lyft? Lyft is probably going down, too. Yeah, hurry. Yeah, Lyft's down to 51 now. Lyft, hurry. Oh, my gosh, it's breaking down, Lyft. Look at that. I told everybody, down sideways, guys. What's that? Big bearish pattern. Down sideways. Oh, my gosh, no flipping way. Uber. I'm going to post something on that. Uber the goober. Holy crap. I got to post something, guys. Uber. Uber's already the goober. Uber. I'm going to put welcome to the bag holders meeting. Oh, man. I told people I just stay away from that one. I mean, unless you get in, get out. That's it. Done. If you got in this down here, wrote it up, you should be out by now. Bag holders meeting. I gotta send a. I gotta say, hold on. I got a great picture of a bunch of bag holders. And guys, if you're new to the room, go to StockBookie.com. Sign up. It's $30 a month. Damn, if you took that 30-cent option today and went to 90, it would pay for the year. $360 a year. You're learning technicals, and you'll actually be able to do your own damn trades. And then you can't blame me if one goes south. Bookie, I'm in this trade and getting my ass kicked. And the first question I usually ask, what's the size of your position? All in. It's like, all right, I can't help you then. I mean, maybe hold your breath a little bit, pray a little bit, yell at the monitors. I used to do this shit. Yell at the monitors. Go yell. The best one was yelling at CNBC. Like Jim Cramer's up there. You're shorting a stock and you're like, shut up, frickin' Cramer. That's going to help, guys. All right, hold on here. I got a nice bag holders picture. I got to post. It's on my other. I got to send it. I'm on my other computer, so I got to email it to me. Where is it? There it is. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. This is going to be great. This is going to be great. I'm like a little kid here, guys. This is going to be great. Where's my email? Yeah. All right, spies. They're at 70 cents now. They're chopping around. The bid and ask are starting to spread out a little bit. So make sure you're out of those, guys. The other one, the other position we're in, the 285s, those are pretty much well, actually, let's see. Hold on here. I'm not even watching those anymore. I'm like, whatever. Yeah, they're at 1 cent. I was gonna say they got to be done. Damn, they took us to the house on that one though. But all right, we made it back up on the other one. So don't forget, guys, sign up, StockBookie.com. I need about 4,000 members so I can retire early. Then I don't have to trade it all. Boober. Yeah, there you go, Boober. Tried to offer me some deal on those. That's how you know it was rigged. Yeah. Yeah, they do that to Carmela too. A lot of times she'll be loading up on the ES, And they'll be like, well, you got to add more money into your account now. And then like 2 days later, the markets are bombing and it's like USOBs. USOBs. All right, hold on. Let me send out the bag holders meeting. Watch for if you guys are on Stock Twitch, watch for the post. It's a good one. I got it from somebody else. It's a bunch of bag holders in a meeting. It's a welcome bag holders. Maybe Uber goes up, but you gotta start making fun of these guys. You did IPOs, guys, stay the hell away. I wish we could short these. I don't even think can you short these IPOs anymore? I haven't tried in a long time. Pretty sure you can't short these. Maybe the rules are different now. I don't know. I'm out of this picture in a long time. I haven't had margin calls. I haven't had anything like that in a long time. Thank God. For me, my margin call would be huge, 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 like the China trade deal on the plate. And Trump, he's telling all his friends, all right, guys, we're announcing this tonight. Make sure you're shorting the markets. And they're just like, oh, Trump, you're the best. Oh, man, this whole thing is flipping rigged. Let me tell you, such a joke. All right, hold on. Let me do the bag. Welcome to the bag holders meeting. I'll probably get flagged. Wow, no, I got to put something else. Wow, what a fade. If I put a chart on there, they really can't flag me. Wow, what a fade. All right, let's do this. I gotta put the 10-minute chart. Then they're kind of nicer to me. But the Stock Twitch guys are good guys. I don't know them like personally, but we've talked. We've talked. I won that contest, guys. Market? No, 2019 prediction will bleed big time in 2019. Everyone's like, oh, Bookie, you're wrong. It's like, yeah, whatever, guys. I'm a trader. I don't care. If it goes down, great. I'm positioned to the short side all the time. Then on these high flyers, guys, I just add slow and steady, guys. They're tough, though. You got to have real patience, guys. Real patience. All right, hold on here. Downloads. Where's my little picture here? Yeah, guys. Right now, yeah, those options are back to 53 cents, 50 cents. God, 90 cents, though, guys. Rock and roll. Killed it today. Killed it. Hopefully, you guys caught that. Now I'll give you my address. You can send me some gifts. All right, check out the post on Stock Twits under Uber. I forgot. I should have put the. Damn. They might flag me on this one. I love that one. That's so great. But anyways, all right, guys, Friday, great week. We made up for those puts that we added in today. Remember, we went small on those. As we were going up on the SPY, we added a little bit again, just in case, like I said, just in case we get that quick pullback. So as this thing was going up, we added a little bit here at the old low. We added a little bit as it was going up. And I believe we added one more time. I was like, all right, we got our average price around 73, I think it was. Hold on here. Anyways, whatever it was. They're done now. So it really doesn't matter where it was. Here they come, guys. Bringing it above gap fill. Why not? The last 15 seconds. So they kind of saved the day here. So watch for my weekend update if you're members. And wow, what a day, guys. This is your key area right now. 284, 285-ish. Gap fill. This is big. They do not want it to crack. All right. Damn, look at that. Oh. Holy cow. Wow. Unbelievable. Huh. I'm speechless here, guys. Wow. And still nothing. No deal, nothing. Nothing. What are they saying before I go here? What are they saying on CNBC? The bag holders meeting. That's awesome. That's funny shit, guys. Let's see here. I just want to punch up CNBC one more time. Here you go, guys. Dow stages $450 comeback. Ends on day high after Trump says China trade talks continue. Nothing. Nothing still signed, guys. And that's what we got. Wow. What a nice drop to get out of the puts. Damn, we couldn't take the puts, short puts today, guys. Just couldn't do it. Sorry. On a day like today, just couldn't do it. Excuse me. All right, guys. That's it. Uber. Wow, what a goober. and then came right back in. A lot of the other stocks, TTD, it's another one that's it's playing out nice. This one was a bitch, but hey, all bitches come down. Look at that. They pushed it up again and they're dry. Look at that. 112, guys. I'm going to hold. We had a big position on this at one point. We pulled it off. We held our held half of that and some short shares too and another swing trade. And this one's, we're in the money now, guys. Boom. This one's going to be coming in. All we need is a couple down days, guys. And then every time we get a down day, they push it right back up. But stocks like this, they're holding down. So this one's even weaker. What was the other one? What was the UBNT? That was awesome too. Look at that one. Closed at the lows too, almost. Damn, another one, guys. $100. They're slowly coming in. If you're in here, Gary, your time will come. Lift, holy cow, man, unbelievable, guys. Look at that. You know how many bag holders are in this thing? Jeez. And now we cracked those key areas. I'm gonna have to do a video on this one. Your key area was around 54. 34 and then the $50 area, which is trying to hold. Holy crap. Look at that. It did hold today. All right, guys. We're down a little bit after hours. Where are those options now? Damn. 288s. They brought them down to 28 cents. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on here. They were 17 cents. Now they're back to 30, guys. Did you catch that one? All right, guys. That's it for me today. Let's see here. Boober, can you explain why VIX is down so much today? No, I don't follow the VIX at all. That thing's a skewed instrument. I don't even pay attention to. Look at the charts. Well, we were going up, so the volatility's down. It was probably, the VIX was probably up today, then it went down as the day progressed. I don't even follow that. A lot of people do. I mean, I guess if I have to, I'll take a look at it just to see. But yeah, it's a skewed instrument. Like the VXX people look at. I don't even follow that, to be honest with you. Happened Monday, John. Broker raising margin. Really? They did it again. See, there you go. Broker raising margin requirements on people who are shorting. That's the other reason too. Take small positions so when they come and bust your ass about it, they really can't. I don't think so. You have to wait for options, I think, first. Where would you buy Apple? Thing of beauty. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Biggest short vol position in history. Rugged individualist. I had to get crushed. It had to get crushed. So I'm not sure what you're talking about, Rugged. Apple, where would I? Nothing yet. We got to let these markets settle in. We were short Apple actually from up here. Not a bad spot right here. Good support down in here, guys. It's just everything's going to trade with the markets. Markets continue higher, great. Now you could go long. I would wait. We're going into options X. We still have the news with China. Still have a lot of shit out there. I just want to see. Yeah, that was a pretty good area. Now, if you tried going long here, I think there was a guy. Who was it? It's in here. I don't know if he took the profits, but great area. If one, and we talked about this, 200 was the first one, and then in this moving average was the second one. Look where we held. This cracks. 184 is coming really, really quick. We're still below the MAs on the 60-minute chart, but let's look at the weekly real quick just to see if there's any support. Yeah, look at that, real close. So that was the area too. 215, guys. We called it. Damn. Right back. Still holding. Still a good. I mean, after this move, you got to expect a pretty good pullback and then maybe up. Nothing yet. If you remember, watch the, I believe you are, watch the weekly update. I'll do one on Apple too. Probably put it on YouTube, but watch that. I'll do the weekend update. But yeah, not good bounce, but it's really, you saw the markets, guys. Okay. Everything's a market trade. SPY goes down, stays, moves up, little pullback, moves up. But again, this one is a little weaker. So let's pull the SPY over here before I roll here. And pull the SPY over here. I mean, everything, guys. I'm not even going to keep, and we'll go through this. Okay. Pretty much followed what it did. Down, sideways, up, little pullback, up. Down, sideways, up, little pullback, up. But this one came back and filled the gap. This one did not. So it's a little bit weaker, all right? We still got to bounce off this area, but you got to time it with the markets. Markets tank, it's going down. And if you're long, you better get the hell out. You're short, ride it down, but you're still pulling some off at good support because you never know. You got to, at this point, guys, you have to follow the SPY. Look at that. It's to the T. Let's look at that. Let's look at Amazon. Where are we? AMZN. Same thing. Down, sideways, up. Pull back, up. This one actually made it to gap fill. Straight down. Okay? Same shit. Let something as news or something, then it's not going to be the same. BA, down, sideways, up, pull back, up, sell into the close. I don't know how many, people that market trade. I don't know what you're talking about. It's pretty flipping clear, guys. And of course, it's going to be different. All right, then you look at UBNT. That thing's just tanking because it might have had UBNT, guys, or whatever. TTD. Not, just not. I mean, it bounced here. This was right at lunch. Look, it even got the small bounce here, but it's such a weak name. It was just like, nah, I don't think so. So there's still different ways to watch these. You got a weak name, it doesn't matter what it is. But for the most part, your Amazons, your Apples, all the big names are following the markets. They're following the IWM. They're following the SPY. That's why we always have this up. So if we're trying to go long in a trade and the SPY's dumping, no. SPY hits a bottom area, starts to go. That's where you want to buy. Like today. Maybe we should have hopped in some Amazons. It would have been a little late because once this thing started rolling, look at it, all at noon. This one started going at 8:50 a little earlier. So still would have caught a nice little move in this, but now it's all on news, guys. So watch for that. BKNG, guys, I caught one in that one today. I didn't post it. That's just a high-ass risk trade. BKNG. 1850 was the area, guys. And it went, to a T, went right to it. And then lights out. I'll post that one later. But 1849, this was the area right in here, guys. And look at that. It went to 1860 was the high, and then lights out. Dropped like a rock. I didn't post that trade. Unfortunately, after the fact, it's like, that was an epic one. Almost $100. I didn't take the whole 100, guys. When it started coming in and pulling and starting getting the support. Look at the support here. So when this thing's fine, it's going up. Then all of a sudden it comes right back down. It starts, pushing. 1850 is your area. Right around this gap fill, around 1824, you got to start pulling some off, all right? So as this thing's coming down, we're pulling some off at 1824. I don't care. I'm not screwing around. So next thing you know, you're coming down. Let's look at the 10-minute time frame. A little bit better. Starting to come down. 1824 was the first gap fill. See how it kind of held. The next thing you know, you're starting to come in again. Next level would be right around the 1800. Boom, I'm out, guys. And of course, it goes another $50 or $30. Yeah, that was a good one. I went a little bit lighter on it. It is Priceline or Booking Holdings, so this thing can be a beast, and it's a big name too. But I took enough to make a good chunk of change, guys. Yeah, I should have posted it. It was just one of those where the next level, where I have some new members, and the next level would have been around the 1875 area. You get this thing at 1850 and you're at 1880, 1890, going to 1900. A lot of people don't understand these trades, and they're like, holy crap, what is going on here? We're 1850, 1875, and then 19 would have been the last area I would have added. Instead, got interested in 1850, and boom, straight down, guys. So yeah, no, nothing to do with that one. It had earnings, I think, last night. I think you should do this every trading day. It's good. Thanks, bud. I do for my members, and I'm going to start doing them private. I'll do some public. I'll do some private, but I'm doing a lot. I'm going to start doing a lot more stuff. And at night, guys, it's tough, but I really want to do like an hour's worth. Let's go through some stocks, go over some trades you guys are in, try to find some new ones, stuff like that. It's just a lot, guys. I'm one guy. I have 3 kids and a wife. I'm involved dad's club, doing stuff for my church, all that good stuff. And it just gets crazy. Donate my time. We were at St. Vincent's de Paul, doing feeding the homeless, shit like that. I'm teaching my kids, guys, money management. We go to Disneyland. I give them $200 a piece. That's your money for 3 days, 4 days, whatever we're there. Okay. My son, first day, he'll go through 150 on junk, popcorn, churros, drinks, everything, buying shit. He's buying Lego stuff. I'm like, why are you buying Lego stuff? I said, you know what? It's your money. You're out today at $200 the first day. You're done. You're not going to get any more, and I'm still his dad. I'll still buy him shit, but it's like, you'll learn eventually one day. So I had a girl too. Her dad had a floor on the Mercantile Exchange, had 4 seats on the Merc, freaking loaded. And you got to teach your kids, the daughter, Yeah, I was dating her for about 2 years, and I should have stuck with her. I could have been on the mark right now. But actually, and when Jordan was playing, guys, we had like 6 seats behind the bench when Jordan was playing. I used to go to games for 2 years. It was so hard to break up with this girl because of the games. But the one thing that sticks in my mind with her, every month, she had all these bills. And she's like, yeah, I can't see you. I got to go home and hang out with my dad and stuff like that. I got to get the check for the bills. So she would just go see her dad once a month and just get the check for the bills. And I think he would give her like 10 grand a month for spending money and stuff. It was like, damn, I want to be like that one day. But yeah, pretty funny. Yeah, $200 hamburger. Yeah, no, you know what? We were hitting the yeah, we were getting out of the park. I mean, they have decent food over by the what's it called? Over by the oh my god, the roller coaster, the Incredicoaster. I was eating chicken Caesar salads, guys. The burgers and stuff like that. It was still like a $13 chicken Caesar salad, but they gave you a pretty good amount, but good enough, kind of healthy. Probably the healthiest you're going to get out of Disney. But yeah, family of 5 guys, it was still like $70. It was like, damn. Now I tell my son, hey, give me some of that 200, guys. That discounts too. You're going to pay for your own meals. But no, I didn't. They were just buying their crap. So, all right, guys, let's see here. I think that's it. Earnings after hours. I'm pretty much done. We're even on the SPY. Rated for a short. Yeah, not yet with that. We took that when I did. I didn't post anything, guys. I should have. I think I might have told you guys I didn't do anything. I did. I hate not giving out trades, or I hate, when I get a good winner and I didn't give it out to you guys, but this one could have easily went up. So it was just like, you know what? I can't put this one out there. It's total high risk. I have a bunch of new members and I want to explain to them about these trades first because, bookie shortened booking holdings, oh, great, boom, all in. And then all of a sudden it goes to 1900 and everyone's like, dude, I'm getting killed. So I don't give you guys everything. And that was a knuckle grinder. I got a big amount in that trade. So it's just like, you know what? I'm going to keep this one quiet. Had enough going on today, guys. I think you should do this every day. It's good. Yeah, no, I'll watch for them. Go to, or just follow me on StockBookie. Or on StockTwits, I usually post on there right before I go live. Or if you're a member, you'll see it on there. Regen is more downside left. It just never recovered the market. Very weak. Like, yeah, TTD. That one was going up. It was just like, oh my gosh, it's going up again. It's making me look like a fool. It's like, come on, geez. But then, boom. That's how these goes, those guys. That's why you got to go slow. You start getting in. And like I told you guys before, you're anywhere short 210, 220, 205, even 200's not bad on this name. Price target's 112. And then you start going to 150, out. Don't wait around to get your ass kicked. $200 hamburger. Yeah, right. Would you consider doing live sessions from 2 to 4? Eastern? I feel a lot more comfortable taking a trade in live session than the Twitter alerts. Yeah, no, I'm gonna do them more. Definitely Twitter alerts. I'm gonna do that because I have a lot of members. They don't, well, I think you come to the live sessions a couple times, private ones. I only get like 10, 15, 20 people in there. And I have over 100 members right now, guys. And I get 10, 20 people showing up in the private sessions where mostly I get emails from these guys. Guys, I don't care about the live sessions. I don't care about this. I just care about trades. And I have been members over a year in here, and that's all they want. They don't give a shit about learning. And that's fine. If that's what they want to do, great. But my thing here, guys, before I let you go, you got to learn the charts. Once you learn the charts, resistance, support, different patterns, how stuff moves into an area, how stuff moves down to an area, why it's bouncing here, it makes life a lot easier. We're not going to be 100% all the time, guys, but at least if you're putting yourself in an 80% position where you have an 80% winning rate, or a better percentage of winning, instead of 50-50, like the spec play we did on those options today. Those are fun when they win, but when that 30-cent option goes to 0, it's like, damn, but still, for us, as it's going up, I'll leave you with this, guys. As it's going up, we knew what we were looking at. We talked about it on the live session. As it's going up, we knew it was coming into here. We had the gap fill. We had the 288. This area here where where it fell apart last time. It was worth a shot. And then right here, I knew it. The volume starts coming in. They start pushing it. Gap fill, 200 MA, even numbers. And then they go right to 289. And it's like, oh my gosh, they're going to dump it. It's like, and then right into here, because they did the same thing here. It was like, holy crap, you got to give it a shot. this game got easily busted through and went straight up or what. But that, for me at least, you got to take a shot. And knowing with the technicals, guys, at least it puts you in somewhat of a better position, even though with the news and everything. But at least you're saying, hey, double top, even number, gap fill, 200 MA, cranking up your what. Got to give it a shot. And then above it a little bit more, you have all these moving averages here on the 60-minute time frame, which is more resistance. All right. So that's why it's like, shit, a lot will play. Shit, I'll give that one a shot. Bam. They wow, 30 cents to 90 cents, guys. I'll take that every day. Yeah, YouTube's okay. But like I said, I think the most I had was in here was 37 people. I think the most when I was doing them back in January, I think I had about 86. We had a Russian robot came in one time, and I think I had over 1,000 people watching me. It was crazy. It's on video somewhere. I'll have to look it up. But as we're watching, this guy comes in, I get an email, and it's like, hey, I can make your views go up. And it's like, yeah, and your people watching. And I'm like, I don't want that. I want everything real. I don't pay for my views. I don't pay for my subs. I guess you could do that. Oh, the Donkey Boy, if you're still in here, he does that. So you get your crumbs, you get from your gifts, and then you go buy more views and subs. So for me, guys, I don't care. I work my ass off to get my members. None of them are bought. All the views are real. I don't go clicking around. I don't have time for that shit, guys. I'm grinding here, guys, making money. That's what I'm in here to try to do, guys, make money. So, all right, options are closed. Wow, look at those 288s, guys. 30 cents to 90 cents, back to 6 cents. Oh, we should have been shorting them at 90. I bet you there was some guys shorting them. Holy crap. What a day, what a day. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. If you are a member, watch for the weekend updates. And, excuse me, we'll see what these markets give us next week. Volume starts picking up. We could sell. We have options X, guys, the real shark week. There's options out there that are going to, expire on Friday. Markets will go up and down if we have the light volume. Teslas can fly. Amazons can drop. This is the week where just weird shit happens. But it's really all about what does a big institutional need and what does a hedge fund need to not pay the premium out on the options, whether it's Tesla or whatever, SPYs, AMD, whatever. That's what they do, guys. So if we get any profits next week, boom, 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 let's take them and run. All right. So, all right, guys, have a great weekend. What a great way to end the week. It was looking pretty shabby when we're adding on the SPY puts on the 285s, but the 288s came back with a vengeance. Love it. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.